Good morning, everybody. Philippines, Australia, US, wherever you're from. Thanks for tuning in. It's Dingland Dan, Beach Bum and Aurora Dingland here. The new project is underway here. The new kubo for this big table. We got the same guys that did Jimmy's little house, the storage area, because they know how to build better, I think, than Percy. Plus, he never showed up for 2 days, and we had to get the project started. Plus, he ordered all the materials without telling me first how much they're going to cost. So I have to talk to him about that. Jimmy's making noise over there. I have to go in town. I have to go to the bank again because it was closed yesterday because of the Ramadan. So anyway, I also sent an email and a video to Philippine Eagle Foundation about my encounter with the eagle. They looked at the video and thanked me, said you really shouldn't feed it or touch it, but they said it wasn't really a Philippine eagle. It's called a red-backed sea eagle. They're smaller than Philippine eagles. They said it was probably a juvenile, so I was correct there. They told me the official name, and I looked it up. Boracay kite. And it's mostly found in Australia and Southeast Asia. So that's the story. It did come back today for a few minutes. Landed on the top of this kubo. Then he flew away. But he's probably just looking for food. Maybe he sees the rabbits. I don't know. But definitely not a Philippine eagle. But I said thanks for the information. Please tell everybody to watch the video and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. In case he comes back, maybe I'll do him another video. But for now, we're just doing some work around here. Oh, the bunnies spilled their water. Gonna have to pick that up. And there's always something going on here, folks. So keep watching, see what happens next. As soon as I come back from the bank, I will start sanding this table. It's got to be refinished. Jimmy, the bunny spilled the water. You can... Wow. Yeah. Always something happening, people coming, people going. That's Jennifer. I think that's their son. Anyway, keep on watching. See what happens next. There's always something going on, like I said. And I'll keep the progress of this build. It's a harder build because they're digging right into the rock. They have to put the posts right into the stone, and then they're going to pour cement. So it's going to take a while. But keep watching, folks. I appreciate all you new viewers, as well as the older viewers, the original viewers. I need your subscriptions. I need your comments. Comment. Let me know what you want to see. But this is just a story of my life here in Dingalan, Aurora, in this small province. What's going on every day here, especially in lockdown. We're just trying to stay busy, trying to survive like everybody else. Even though if you're in the US, your life is pretty much back to normal, or the new normal anyway. So stay safe out there. I'll do another video later. Take care and thanks for watching. Dingalan Dan Beach Bum out.